Hi, we're going to have a go at dividing some decimals and rounding the solutions as we go. So our first question is here, 4.28 divided by 6. I'm going to set that up using short division, aka the bus stop method. And I want my answer to one decimal place. Now that's the important part of this that's different than what we did before, is I'm rounding it to one decimal place. So, bus stop method, 4.28 divided by 6. 6 is into 4, doesn't go, 0. 6, so, and then carry the 4. 4's into 4, 6 is into 42, goes 7. And 6 into 8 goes 1 with more remainder. But I don't need to carry on any further because I said that I wanted one decimal place. So I can now see that this would round to 0.7 to one decimal place. So I can just write 4.28 divided by 6 equals 0.7 to one decimal place. I've done one extra decimal place than I need in order to get the solution. Okay, let's do another example. Here I'd like to do, let's take 0.46, let's give 0.496 divided by 3. And this time I'd like two decimal places. So set it up as the bus stop. 3's into 0.496. 3's into 0. 0. Remainder nothing. 3's into 4 goes 1. Remainder 1. 3's into 19 goes 6. Remainder 1. 3's into 16 goes 5. And I can stop because I've got more decimal places than I need. I needed 2 decimal places. I've written down 3. So now I can look and say that this is the bit that I need. What does that do? It rounds it up. So 0.496 divided by 3 is 0.17 to 2 decimal places. I did the extra decimal place so that I could check whether it rounded up or stay the same. Last one. I want to do 302 divided by 14. I'd like my answer to one decimal place. So again, set it up using the short division bus stop. So, oops, it's gone a bit wrong. So we're going to say 14 into 302. Helpful to write down some of the 14 times table so that I know what it's going to be. It was 14, 28, 42. 4 times 14 is 56, 5 times 14 is 70, and so on. So I can look and I can see 14's into 3 doesn't work. 14's into 30 goes 1, 2, remainder 2. 14's into 22 goes 1, and now I'm going to need some extra zeros. 14's into 22 goes 1 with a remainder of 8, I think. 8. 14's into 80 goes 5 with a remainder of 10. 14's into 100. I'm going to need a few more things on my list here. So that's 98. That goes 7. And that's all I need, because I only asked for one decimal place. So I can now see that this will be 21.6, because the 5 is rounded up by that 7 to one decimal place. Okay, good. Now do exercise 8K from the textbook.